In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted Facebook ads in just a few minutes. Now, if you've ever accidentally deleted an ad that was performing well, don't worry. Facebook makes it possible to recover that campaign, albeit with a little workaround. So let's dive right in and first head over to Facebook Ads Manager. To get started, open a web browser and search for Facebook Ads Manager. Once you're on the home page, look for the Go to Ads Manager button and give it a click to proceed to the next step. At this stage, you'll need to log in, so go ahead and enter your email and password. After entering your login credentials, click on the Login button to access your account. Once you're logged into Ads Manager, navigate to the campaign's dashboard. The dashboard is where all the magic happens. Here, you'll be able to manage your various ad campaigns. To locate your deleted ads, you'll need to use the filters. Begin by selecting the filters option and find the one labeled Deleted Campaigns. It's important to note that deleted campaigns are not immediately visible, so filtering is essential to see them. Once you've selected the deleted filter, click Apply. This action will display all the campaigns that have been previously deleted. Now that you can see your deleted campaigns, select the one you wish to recover. Here's where things get a bit tricky. In Facebook Ads Manager, you cannot restore a campaign at the click of a button. Instead, you'll need to duplicate the campaign, so click on the campaign you want to recover, and then click on the Duplicate option. A confirmation window will appear, and you should confirm your action by clicking Duplicate. After duplication, it's vital to review and adjust the settings of your duplicated campaign to ensure it matches your original intent. Perhaps you'd like to tweak the budget or modify the targeting criteria. After making any necessary adjustments, it's time to publish the campaign. For this, find the Publish button and give it a click. This will activate the duplicated campaign, effectively bringing it back to life and ready to perform. So, there you have it. A simple process to recover your deleted Facebook ads by duplicating and publishing them. By using this method, you can ensure that your ads are not lost forever and continue using your successful strategies. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insightful tips and tutorials.